Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by turning on permissions so the phone can overlay apps. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Special Access and find Floating Windows. Grant permission for the app you plan to use. This lets it stay on top. Once done, also enable Draw over other apps if Tecno requests it, because without that the floating view won't appear. Make sure battery optimization is off for the app so the system won't kill the floating session during background use. You now create the floating window from the app itself. Open the app, then enter Recent Apps or use the split screen gesture. Tap the app icon and select Open in pop-up view or floating window. The app will appear as a movable overlay. Drag the corners to resize and drag the header to reposition. Use the header controls to pin, minimize, or close. This method keeps the app accessible while you switch to other tasks, improving finish by adjusting behavior so the floating window works reliably. Tweak size, opacity, and always-on-top options from the floating header or app settings because small adjustments reduce accidental taps. If the pop-up closes unexpectedly, disable battery optimization for the app and relaunch it because aggressive power saving often kills overlays. If you still don't see the overlay, revoke the floating permission and re-grant it. This refreshes the system flag and usually resolves permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.